Hello and welcome to my kitchen and channel. Today I want to share with you my apricot jam recipe. I washed 1.5 kilos of apricots thoroughly and removed their pits. I roughly halved them. It doesn't really matter since we'll blend them later. I add 1 kilo of granulated sugar. I cover the pot, put it in the fridge, and let it sit overnight. The next day, as you can see, the apricots have released their juices and the sugar has partially dissolved. Now I put my jam on the stove. I add 1 teaspoon of butter to prevent excessive foaming and overflowing. I added 1 scant teaspoon of citric acid and 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And I stir. I skim off the foam that forms on top until the apricot juice reaches the right consistency. I continue cooking it over medium heat. The apricots have thickened. I cook them for about half an hour. I run them through a blender. Then I return it to the stove and bring it to a boil one more time. I skimmed off the foam again. While hot, I fill the jars. I seal the lid tightly and turn the jar upside down. If you want to store it for the winter, you can do it this way. As you can see, the apricot jam is ready. You can see its consistency. It turned out very nice.